Pomonal is your classic tree change. If you want to come to see mountains and trees and plenty of animals, you come to Pomonal. On the 13th of February 2024, a lightning strike occurred in the morning which caused a bushfire that went through the community because of the strong winds that were there, and basically destroyed about 45 houses. It was about a quarter of the population were affected by that bushfire. Since then, and we're nearly 2 years down the track, of the 25 primary places of residence, only 4 have really been rebuilt. So there's a lot more work to be done in that area.
You can sit back and just probably bury your head in the sand and think, poor me. And trust me, there's days where that does come across. You think, why me?
In the last couple of days, we have been installing rainwater tanks at a number of properties that were affected from the bushfires last year. Access to clean drinking water is sometimes a challenge in some rural properties. They don't have access to mains water, something that we take for granted in the cities where we turn on a tap and we have a reliable, safe source of water.
When it comes shearing time, we need water, like drinking water and stuff for the shearers. And yeah, you're buying water, like bottles of water to keep the shearers going and stuff like that. It's amazing how you take water for granted sometimes when you've got it.
We might see it as a simple delivering and installing a water tank, but what that actually means to these residents to be able to live on their properties is huge.
People are just so grateful for providing fresh water or just something basic to me. They look at it and it's the world to them. So being able to come and just offer a hand to be able to support that's great.
It's not a Taj Mahal or anything, it's about water. And when I went there and saw it, I had to knock on it to feel the water inside. And that was a good experience.
Hopefully these tanks can be a bit of a light, tunnel, and they can start rebuilding and moving forward with their life out here.
It mightn't be much, but it's huge for me, I believe. And it's heartwarming, really, like just to know that people are out there to help.
Giving back to the community with the skills I've picked up over the years has been such a privilege and an honour to do, and I feel like it really shows you what plumbing is about and really sets it in your mind that this is the job you want to do because you can make a huge impact on people.
Nothing's ever a disaster, as in complete disaster. You can always find good in plenty of things to hang on to use to inspire.